Adacolumn. Human gastrointestinal microbiota. Here, millions of bacteria work together to keep us healthy. Ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease are in part due to disturbed gastrointestinal flora, which make the intestinal tract more sensitive and susceptible to infections. Infections that in turn can trigger chronic intestinal inflammation. As soon as we contract an intestinal infection, our immune system begins to take action. In some people, the immune system can overreact, become a little too eager, and mistake our own intestines as a threat. This is how ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease arise. The immune system's white blood cells, the so-called granulocytes and monocytes, which usually take on the task of combating bacteria and viruses, have now become imbalanced and have begun to cause inflammation of the intestine. They in turn send out neurotransmitters which call on more white blood cells. Adacolumn treatment involves removing the inflammatorily active granulocytes and monocytes. Because they are in the blood, we can capture many of them by passing the blood through an adacolumn. An adacolumn contains more than 30,000 cellulose acetate beads. The granulocytes and monocytes that are inflammatorily active have receptors, small hooks, which allow them to hook onto the beads. Other blood cells, which are not inflammatorily active, pass by unaffected. The blood, which then has significantly fewer inflammatorily active white blood cells, returns to the body and the intestines get a chance to recover. Adacolumn also releases anti-inflammatory substances which accompany the blood back into the body. These substances help reduce inflammation. The body replaces the white corpuscles that have remained in the adacolumn with new ones that are not inflammatorily active. The immune system remains just as effective as previously, and the white blood cells are just as numerous, but now far fewer of them are interested in attacking our intestines. In this way, the balance of the immune system is restored and the intestine now has a chance to heal.